Here the Pree. Now, dancehall artist Serani is currently on a 6-week tour of Europe, and of course he released a brand new mixtape, and right now we have his brand new video called Sweet Love. Long time I not even drink a rum criminal, rum bar rum criminal. It's all about Serani right here on Pree Dis. Watch the Pree.
We don't talk much at all when I get home, when the night falls, even when we're on the phone. When I see you, when you see me too, one thing's on my mind all the time. I just wanna make sweet love to you, late all night with you, yeah, till the sun come up. I just need you in my arms, my arms, my arms, till the sun come up. Hey, sweet love, sweet love, sweet love, sweet love. Oh, I wish I didn't work long hours every day. You're asleep when I get home, and I'm awake. You're gonna wait to work. Still, we gotta find a way to work. We need to make time to play. We got conflicting hours. No one knows the future. I'm predicting hours. Whether you're asleep or awake, you're with me or away. Oh, I just wanna make sweet love to you, late all night with you, yeah, till the sun come up. I just need you in my arms, my arms, my arms, till the sun come up, yeah. Sweet love, sweet love, sweet love, sweet love, you're my heart.
Now I'm trying to get across the road still, so let me just push button and wait for a while. But guess what? I have my Busta right here, and of course, thanks to Busta, we now have our Busta Move Dance segment, and this week we have dancers Ricky Tiki and LaChoy from Watson Grove, all the way in Christian Penn, St. Catherine. Now, big up to the dancers. We have Busta Move. Watch it.
This segment is brought to you by Busta Move.
Hey, you know them. You know them. Conscience my name. We not frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody, and we better than everybody. So me we run where anybody. No boy no better than we. No boy no better than we. Step on me can and say, run up for dance and fancy. On a bag of long talking. Something, do something, do something, do something, do something, do something, and a bag of long talking, no, just do something, do something, do something, do something, do something, do something, and a bag of lip tracing, no. Conscience my name, but me not have none. This me, and you find out if South man them have gun. Fat me a little boy, me start run. So when me clap, me not stop till everything drop down. We tell them so we are not bad man, but if you this, we turn out in a certified bad man. Kill off the whole and we no one. We no preach like whole and our brain.
Our brand new feature, Caribbean Buzz. It's on its way. Don't move. I'm also going to take a short commercial break. When we get back, we have a lot more Pree Dis right here. Now I'm with my worthy goal. So forward.